and True Blue.
We're super excited to be coming to the Northeast for the first time. We've traveled all over India and parts of the world. We're super excited to party with you guys on the 20th of October in Joa in Meghalaya.
See you there!
Hello Joai, my name is Reverend Crane from France. I'm super excited to play for the very first time in the beautiful state of Meghalaya. Catch me performing for the Fete organized by Khimusniang in Joai. See you guys there 20 October.
Hello Joy, we are the Maiden Voyage, the Iron Maiden tribute band from Bangalore, India. We'll be coming to the beautiful state of Meghalaya this 28th of October and playing at the Fete organized by Khimusniang. Joy, we hope to see all the Iron Maiden fans over there. Up the Iron